This is the story of Bridget and Annie, who share a flat in London, and the boys next door, Nick and his friend Hector from Argentina. Annie and Hector want to be together. Bridget wants to meet a new man, and Nick wants to be rich and famous. Stand by for Extra.
Charlie, look at that.
Hola, Charlie. What's wrong?
Shaving cream. Whipping cream. Hector, next time you go shopping, kitchen, bathroom, okay?
Bathroom, kitchen. Got it.
Yeah.
And are a credit to their owners.
What are you watching?
Dogs could be a
It's a dog show.
They're lovely.
Oh, I like that.
Eyes and perfect
I didn't know you liked dogs.
Huh? I don't like dogs. I like those women with their dogs. Oh, Charlie likes the dogs. The lady dogs.
You can enter the dog show this year and win £2,000.
Hector slapped me. Thanks. How much did she say?
£2,000.
Hey! We must enter this dog show with Charlie.
All right, let's do it.
Yes! Woohoo! Oh, no.
Hello? Earth to Bridget? Earth to Bridget? Bridget? What are you looking for?
My new T-shirt. I'm meeting my boyfriend.
Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. What boyfriend?
Oh!
My new boyfriend. Tell me everything. Well, his name's Philip. He's very elegant. And the thing is...
Hey, Annie, we've had a really good idea.
Wait, careful. We've just seen a dog show on TV.
Oh, yes, that's right. A really good dog show.
Do you like dog shows, Annie?
I hate them. They are cruel.
Not all dog shows, Annie.
Yes, Nick, all dog shows. They're horrible. You have to respect animals.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. You are so right, Annie.
So what shall we do?
We will have to train Charlie ourselves without Annie knowing, huh?
Oh.
Hey,
Hey,
forget that. Read this.
what? How to train your dog?
Now we can train Charlie.
Oh.
Charlie, here, boy.
Sit. Sit. Good dog. Good trainer.
Oh, Charlie's not there.
Charlie's not there?
Annie has taken him to the vet.
The vet?
The vet. The animal doctor.
Well, we can still start training.
We can? How? Sit. I said sit. Sit. Good boy. Good boy. Now, roll over. Roll over for a doggy chop. Roll over. Roll over, Hector. Good boy. Good boy, Hector. Good boy. Now, I want to be the dog.
No, I am the dog.
No, I want. I'm the dog.
I don't know these people.
Hi, Bridget.
Well, they're not my friends.
What are they doing?
Well, you've heard of yoga.
Yes.
Well, this is a new type of yoga. Dog yoga.
Yeah, dog yoga. Doga.
Fantastic. Come on, Bridget. Introduce me to the spiritual boys.
Philip, Hector, and Nick.
Are dogs allowed on the sofa?
Maybe we should eat out. Come on, Philip.
I don't like that man.
I don't think he likes you either.
Was that Bridget's new boyfriend?
Yep.
That's right, Charlie. He's a bad man. Top dog.
Chrissy, I've met a wonderful man.
Tell me everything. Well,
He's everything I want. Elegant, handsome, intelligent, and very unlike Nick.
Dan, I know how to earn £2,000 with Charlie and his dog. No, not selling it. Winning a dog show competition. The perfect plan.
Let's do it!
Yes! Oh, and Bridget has met a new man.
Fantastic.
Even Charlie is not impressed. That's right, Charlie. He's a bad man.
come on, Charlie.
Wait. Where are you taking him?
For a walk?
Time to train Charlie. Let me take him.
You'll take him for his walk.
Yeah.
Okay.
Where's the kettle?
Bridget!
I'll buy Charlie a nice ribbon. Then the lady dogs will love him. Hey, Charlie, come on. Walk it.
Hey, Nick! Catch! Hey.
Bridget, that's my Walkman.
Will you take my things?
I don't take your things.
Yes, you do. Where Where's my necklace then?
I haven't got your necklace.
Well, I think you have. And my photo frame.
I haven't got your photo frame.
Yes, you have.
No, I haven't.
Yes, you have. No, I haven't. You have.
Girls, please.
Don't touch my things.
Hello? Hello? I didn't touch your things.
Sit.
Annie is so angry. What have you done?
Me? Nothing. She's been fighting with Bridget.
Oh, the girls have been fighting. I missed it.
Anyway, how was your walk with Charlie?
Great. Women love Charlie.
Oh, Nick, what a handsome dog you have.
Hey, look. I brought him a ribbon for the show.
And where is he?
Where is who?
Charlie, the dog.
Oh, stay there. Good boy. Aha! A quick pint. You are too cruel to own a dog. He is safe with me. But he was only tied up at that lamppost for a bit.
What's going on?
It's called dog yoga.
Very nice.
Oh, no, not dog yoga again.
Talking of dogs, where is Charlie?
He's asleep.
He's ill.
He's having his haircut.
He's busy.
So he's asleep and ill and busy and having his hair cut.
Yeah.
Okay.
We have to get Charlie back.
The boys are so sweet. They're taking Charlie for walks and they play a lot with him.
Good boy. Good boy. Good boy.
But I have to buy more doggy chocks. There are none left.
Damn. We've lost Annie's dog, Charlie.
Where is Charlie?
He's asleep.
He's ill.
He's having his haircut.
He's busy.
And the dog show is today.
I'm worried about Annie. She's stealing everything. Lots of my things are missing.
I didn't touch your things.
Where's my necklace then?
I think she's selling them on the internet.
Nick!
Hector! Hey, don't worry. I found him. I found him.
Great! Oh, the other phone is ringing. See you later. Bye.
Yeah.
Hello? Police? What? You found our dog. Great. Thanks very much. Bye. But if the police have found our dog, whose dog has Nick found?
Ow! Ow! Oh, sorry. Look, I'm sorry. I thought it was my...
Up. Ah, good. Up. Hey, doggy. Hey. Oh. Oh. Hello? Nick. Where are you? The police station? You took a dog from an old woman. Nick, how could you? Okay. I am coming. That woman, she really went for you, and she was old.
I thought she was Mike Tyson's mother. Hey, we must go. The dog show.
Oh.
Hi, guys. Hi, Charlie. Why are you wearing that?
We were taking photographs.
Were we?
Yes.
Taking photographs.
Yes.
I'm meeting Philip tonight and I can't find my earrings.
Oh, come on. They must be somewhere.
You've stolen them.
I told you I haven't stolen anything.
Yes, you have. You're a thief.
I am not a thief.
Oh, ladies, no fighting here. Break it up.
Where's the fridge?
Hello, and welcome to Croft
Bridget!
Dog Show.
Huh. A dog show. How stupid. Where is the fridge? Where's Charlie? Charlie! Charlie and the fridge have gone. Charlie has taken the fridge!
Well, it will be a great day here at Crofts with this annual event, which
Charlie?
is a culmination of months of hard work of dog owners everywhere. These dogs are trained to the highest standards and are a credit to their owners.
It looks hopeful.
Oh, yes. It looks very hopeful. Look at her! Look after Charlie. Hey, hello there.
Look, there's Hector and Charlie. And
there's Nick.
And the next
Who's that woman?
is Rambo.
It's a very big dog.
Wow, that really is a big dog.
Yeah, I know.
Your attention, please. The dog show winner is Charlie, with his trainers Hector and Nick.
We won! We won! 2,000 pounds!
Oh, congratulations.
Thanks, Annie. But you hate dog shows.
Well, if Charlie wins, then that's different. And you won £2,000.
Well, not exactly. We won £2,000 to spend in dog's heaven.
Hey, this is great! Smells nice and gets rid of fleas. Genius.
I'm ready, Philip.
Bridget, you look nice.
We're going out for dinner. A very romantic dinner.
You stupid dog! Get off me!
Charlie, stop it!
What is he doing?
Get off him! My scarf! My jewellery, my photo frame, and more.
Philip, you've been stealing our things. You're the thief.
Well, I... Get him, Charlie!
Charlie!
He's a thief. Your boyfriend is a thief.
Well, who can blame him?
Huh?
He took souvenirs to remind him of me. So romantic.
Next time in Extra. Annie is a hypnotist. Nick and Hector are party entertainers. But what happens when they lose the birthday girl? Extra, don't miss it.